Hey everyone, are Google Fonts not working properly? In this video, I'll show you how to fix common Google Fonts problems step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure your device can access Google Font services. Next, verify your font code. I mean, incorrect HTML links, CSS imports, or font family names are common reasons why Google Fonts may not work. If you're using a website, check that the Google Fonts link is placed correctly inside your HTML or that your CSS import is added properly. Next, confirm that you selected the correct font weights and styles. If a specific style is not available, the font may not display as expected. Clear your browser cache and refresh your website to remove old stored files. If you use WordPress, Shopify, or another website platform, check your theme settings, plugins, and custom code for possible conflicts. Try disabling browser extensions or security tools that may block font requests. You can also test your website in another browser or device to see if the issue is related to your current setup. Finally, check your website cache settings and make sure your font files or external font connections are loading correctly. And that's how to fix Google Fonts not working. By checking your code, browser, and website settings, you can solve most font issues quickly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.